Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CashApp application on your PC. If you'd like to download CashApp application on your PC, then it's quite simple. First, you'll need an Android emulator. If you don't have an Android emulator installed on your PC, simply go and open up a web browser and go to the search bar at the top and type in www.bluestacks.com and press enter on your keyboard. Download the BlueStacks Android emulator with one of the links over here, and once you get it downloaded, simply launch the app open. Once you open your BlueStacks Android emulator on your PC, click on the Play Store button. You'll need to enter your credentials for your Google account if you're using the application for the first time. Once you log in, you'll get to this Google Play page. Go to the search bar at the top and type in CashApp and perform your search. Find this application from Square Inc. and click the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Your download will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a stable and fastest internet connection. Once the download and installation is completed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a click to launch the app open. How to download CashApp on your Android device. In order to download CashApp on your Android device, tap open your Play Store first. Make sure you're connected to an internet service, and once you are, go to the search box at the top and give it a tap. Type in CashApp in the search box and make your search. This one's the app that we are looking for. Once you find the application, tap on the install button in order to download the application on your Android device. Wait until the download is done. Wait until the installation is completed as well. Once it is done, tap the open button to launch the app open. And that is how you can easily get CashApp on your Android device. You'll be able to find the application in the app drawer where all of the applications are displayed on your Android phone. How to sign up for CashApp. In order to sign up for CashApp, first, make sure you've downloaded the CashApp application on your smartphone. After you're done, tap it open in order to launch it on. The first interface of CashApp application will look like this. In order to sign up for a new account, you can either enter your mobile number or your email address in the text box that appears on the screen. If you're typing in a phone number, make sure to enter the valid one. You can also use email by tapping on Use Email button at the lower left-hand corner. Now, enter a valid email address that you have access to. Once you're done, tap on the Next button at the lower right-hand corner. Now, you've been sent a code to the email address that you just entered. Simply go open up your email and type in the confirmation code that you received. Finally, tap the Next button at the bottom. Now, go ahead and type in your debit card information in order to link a bank account on your CashApp. You can do it right now by typing in the credentials in the text box, or later by tapping on Skip at the bottom left. Go ahead and type in your full name on the next page. Finally, tap on Next at the bottom. Choose a cashtag for yourself on the next page. Make sure to choose a unique name while creating a cashtag for yourself. Check if the cashtag is available or not. If it is not, you'll be able to see this kind of a message right beneath the cashtag you selected. Once you select a cashtag for yourself and it is available, you can see the Next button popping up at the bottom in green. Tap it on, wait for a few seconds. Now, enter a postcode in the next field and tap on the Next button at the bottom. Next, enter the mobile number that you'd like to use with your CashApp. Make sure to type in the valid number and tap Next at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to type in the code that has been sent to your mobile number. Type in the code in the confirmation code text field and tap Next. Now, you can allow contact access and make it easier to find friends that are already on CashApp. Tap on Continue to do that, or you can skip the step for now by tapping on Skip at the bottom. That is how you can easily sign up for CashApp. The first interface of CashApp will look like this, as you can see on the display over here. With your CashApp mobile payment service, you can easily transfer money to one another using the application on either your Android phone or your iOS. But remember that the service is only available in the US and the UK. How to log into CashApp on your desktop. Start off by opening up a web browser in order to begin. Once you open it up, go to the address box at the top of the screen and type in cash.app and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of CashApp, which looks like this. Go to the login button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login page. In order to log into your CashApp, you'll need to type in your email address or your mobile number associated with your Cash App account. Make sure to enter the same credentials that you used while signing up for your Cash App. You can either type in your email address or your mobile number. Soon after you do that, click on Request Sign-In Code. You'll receive a confirmation code in your mobile number or your email address. Simply type in the confirmation code that has been received by you in the text box. After you're done typing it in, click the Sign In button. Now, you'll need to type in the confirmation code that has been sent to your mobile number. For Cash App, simply type it in the text box as well and click on Confirm. That is how you can easily log into your Cash App account using your desktop. How to easily log into your Cash App application using your Android phone. Open up your Cash App application that you've downloaded from your Play Store. If you've not done that yet, go and tap open your Play Store, search for Cash App in the search box. Simply install the application by searching through the Play Store, and once you get the app, simply give it a tap. In order to log into your Cash App application, first make sure to enter your phone number or your email address. Choose any one in between and type it in the text boxes. Since I used my email address to sign up, let me enter my email address. Now, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. You'll need to enter the code that has been sent to your email address or your mobile number. Simply type it in the confirmation code text field. Finally, after you do that, tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen and how you can easily change your cash tag in your Cash App. In order to change your cash tag on your Cash App application, tap open your Cash App app from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page, tap on the human icon at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see your cash tag displayed right beneath your username in your profile page. If you'd like to change your cash tag, simply tap on the cash tag once, and at the bottom, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. Select Edit Cash Tag and go ahead and erase the current cash tag. Type in the new one that you'd like to change to. Make sure to pick a cash tag that is available. Once the cash tag is available, you can simply tap on the Set button at the bottom in green. Confirm your selection by tapping on Confirm, but remember that once you make this change, you'll be able to change your cash tag 2 more times. Since it can be only changed twice, the prior versions becomes inactive so that they can't be claimed by another customer. You can easily switch back to a previous cash tag anytime you want. Tap on Confirm to change your cash tag. Wait for a few seconds and there you have a brand new cash tag for you. Remember to inform your friends that you've recently changed your cash tag so that they can send you funds quickly in the correct Cash App account. How you can request money on Cash App. You can easily send money to your friends and family or anyone using your Cash App application. Simply tap open your Cash App application from the app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. You'll be able to see this kind of an interface as soon as you log into your Cash App application. First, enter the amount that you'd like to request by tapping on the keypad that appears on the display. Once you type in the amount that you'd like to request to your friend or family, tap on the Request button at the lower left-hand corner. Now, type in the name of the person that you'd like to request the money to, their cash tag, or you can also type in their email address or mobile number. Once you type in the contact's information, if you want to leave a note for them, type in the note in the text box right where it says For. After you are done, tap the Request button at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to request money on Cash App. But remember that person who you request your money to also must have a Cash App account and they'll need to accept your request in order to make your payment. How to change your full name on Cash App. If you were in a hurry while typing in your full name while signing up for your Cash App account, and now that you've realized that you've typed in a wrong information where you were supposed to type in your full name on Cash App, then do not worry at all. Simply tap open your Cash App application from the app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. From the home page of Cash App, which looks like this, tap on the human icon at the top right hand corner and this will take you to your profile on Cash App. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. In the pop-up that appears at the bottom, select Edit Name in order to edit your full name on Cash App. Erase the current name. Go ahead and make any kind of a change that you want. And once you type in the correct information, tap on the Submit button in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to quickly change your full name on Cash App. How to log out of your Cash App application on your Android device. If you are done using your Cash App application, since you've logged into one of your friends' mobile devices in order to use your Cash App for a while, for your security, if you'd like to log out of that particular device, then here's how how to do it. So in order to sign out of your CashApp application, let me quickly open up CashApp first, just to show it to you. When you're logged into your CashApp application, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface on a screen. If you'd like to quickly log out of CashApp in a particular device, go and tap on the human icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to open up your profile, scroll all the way down from this page, and at the bottom you'll be able to see a sign out button. Simply tap on the sign out button in order to bring up a pop-up that asks you if you are sure you'd like to log out or sign out of the particular device. Tap on OK in the pop-up in order to confirm your selection, and that is how you can easily log out of your CashApp, quick and easy. To log in back again, you should enter your mobile number or your email address, type in the confirmation code that will be sent to your mobile number or your email address. Once you do that, you'll be able to log into your CashApp back again. How to delete your CashApp account. If you don't want to use your CashApp account anymore, or if you want to simply take a break from CashApp, open up your CashApp application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the upper right hand corner. Before deleting your CashApp account, remember that you have 0 funds left on your CashApp. From the home page of CashApp, tap on the human icon at the upper right hand corner. This will take you to your profile. From the profile page, tap on support. In the search box under support, you can simply type in delete and it will show you the options that matches your search. At the very top, tap on close your CashApp account. If you want to delete your account permanently, it says that closing your CashApp account will disable your cashtag, you won't be able to send or receive any kind of payment, and you'll be signed out of all of your sessions. Make sure that 0 funds are left on your CashApp account, otherwise you will be losing it. After you're done reading the information displayed on the screen and you want to confirm your account deletion, tap on confirm at the lower right hand corner. Wait for a few seconds, and there you have completely deleted your CashApp account. Once you are done deleting your account, you won't be able to reactivate it again. In the future, if you wish to continue using your CashApp account, you'll need to create a new one. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.